Hi, today we have the very famous painter, Pieter Weltevrede from Holland, who has been a student of Harish Johari for almost 40 years. He's going to talk to us about yantras today and what the meaning of yantras are. Hi, Pieter. Could you tell us what the meaning of yantras are?
If you look at the translation of it, then we see that the word yam means to hold, to contain, the essence. And the word tra means liberation from bondage. So in Tantra you find many ways of working with yantras, and they can use them in all kind of materials, metals, crystals. Here we are only busy with kind of yantra that is meant to center and to meditate. Anything symmetrical already can create that centering effect. And mandalas can create that centering effect, which means everything that is in a circle. And as you can see in the yantra, that also is in a circle. But that makes in a way yantra also a mandala, telling something about a specific energy. And for that form is used, and color. Color is very important.
Pieter, can you talk about the 8 petals? What are the significance of the 8 petals in the yantra?
If we see the lotus petals, that depends how many they are. In general we see 8, and 8 is mostly connected to what they call the octave of Prakriti, nature. And nature has 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and akash. And you can say trigunas, but you can also say mind, ego, intellect. And then the point in the middle is cosmic consciousness. These are 9, and 9 is also a number of completion, so that is complete.
What does the bindu mean?
The bindu in the center is representing the deity itself. That is the point. The point is the smallest possible figure you can make. It actually creates the individual consciousness and the duality.
Pieter, could you just walk us through of how to make the yantra?
Well, we start with a piece of paper.
Locate the center of the paper. Draw a horizontal and vertical line through the midpoint. Draw a large circle with a radius of 11.3 cm. To find the diagonals, we use the compass. The square is 16 by 16 cm and 8 cm from the middle. We make the marks at 4, 6, 10 and 12 cm. We make lines from 0 to 6 cm and 10 to 16 cm on all 4 sides. To find the gates, we use 4 and 12 cm. The distance from the square to the circle is 2.6 cm. By leaving 2 cm from the circle, we can erase the remaining lines. Now we can make the gate. And we go round along the square. As the clock goes, the bhupur is created. Towards the inside of the bhupur, we put marks of 2 mm each for making a double lining. Now we can put the double lining. Draw a circle along the corners of the bhupur. The distance is 2.6 cm. We track the inside distance from the neck of the bhupur gate, and we can make the second circle. We give the circles a double lining. We make one more division with the help of the compass. We can design the half of the lotus petal. We copy this half with transparent paper and finish the circle of lotus petals. With the compass, take the radius of the circle in which you want to have the hexagram. You have now one triangle. Design a triangle with 1 double linings of 1 mm each. Take half radius of the triangle and put your compass at central point of yantra and make a guide circle within the triangle. With the compass, you take the radius of the guide circle in which you want to have the hexagram. You now have one triangle. Put the point at the top of the circle and you find the points for the other triangle. Design a triangle with 1 double linings of 1 mm each. Put a large dot in the center of the yantra. First line is gold. The second one is lemon yellow. The bhupur is middle viridian and a little of white. Then a circle of gold. Space is silver. Lotus petals are vermilion with a touch of white. The small triangles are carmine. Then a gold circle. The space around the triangle is white. The line of triangles are same as the lotus petals. The triangle is deep yellow with a little touch of vermilion. The lines of the hexagram are the same as the lotus petals. The hexagram itself is lemon yellow. Then Bindu is gold. Ganesh Yantra.
Can you talk a bit about the colors and why we use gold on the exterior?
Gold is a color that is related to the sun, and the yellow is a color that is related to Jupiter. So they in a way make the wall of the temple. Green of the purple is the color of balance, the color that is good for calming the nerves. Red color that comes then is a color that is mostly known for its life force, excitement, vitality.
Okay, so when we generally make yantras in your class specifically, we always start with the Ganesh Yantra. Why is it so?
That is actually, I just follow the main rule in Hinduism. Everything starts with Ganesha. Even a cup of tea starts with Ganesha, food starts with Ganesha, every journey starts with Ganesha.
Thank you, Pieter.
Great information with us.
My pleasure.
And I hope to speak to you more.
No problem.